How to create Cash App account. First things first, go ahead and open Cash App on your phone. It's going to ask for your phone number or email right off the bat. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an email address, so I'm just going to tap Use Email right down here at the bottom. Now, just type in the email address you want to link up with your account and hit Next. Cash App is immediately going to send a security confirmation code straight to your inbox to verify it's actually you. So pop over to your email app, open up that new message from Cash App, and copy the 6-digit code. Once you've got it, head back into Cash App, paste that code right into the box, and tap Next. Next, it'll ask you for your region. Since we're setting this up here, just tap United States at the bottom of your screen. From here, you'll see an option to link an external bank account using your debit card. This lets you move cash back and forth. If you want to link yours right now, go ahead and fill in your card details. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to hit skip so we can keep moving, but you can always add your card later in the settings. Up next, type in your real first and last name so your friends know it's you when they send you money, and tap Next. Now for the fun part, picking your $cashtag. This is basically your unique username that anyone can use to pay you instantly. Pick something clean, and once you see it's available, tap Next. Almost there. Just enter your local zip code for security verification and hit Next one more time. Cash App will then ask you if you want to invite your friends to get a quick cash bonus. If you want to sync your contacts and invite people, tap Continue. If not, just tap the small X button up in the top right corner to pass on it for now. And boom, you'll see it say, "Welcome to Cash App," and you are officially all set up. Now that your account is ready, you need to check out Cash App's brand new feature that helps you save money automatically. Tap the video on your screen right now to watch my guide on Cash App Roundup and learn how to use it. See you there.